Charlie takes a bath on his own. Look at him. Look how ugly you are with those wet feathers. Hello, Charlie. Pretty bird. Say.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie.
Come here, look at me. Turn this way. The old wet feather self. Yeah, look at you. There you go. There you go. Look at you.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie.
Well, you're just dunking your head in there, weren't you? Hello. Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie. It's that dinosaur eye. Look at it. It's Tyrannosaurus Rex. I think he has a little cloudiness in his eyes. Of course, there's no telling how old you are. You gotta be at least 45, right? No, 40. Yeah, 44. So we found him when I was 3 years old.
Oh, you got his cage open?
I'm taking a movie of him.
Uh-oh.
What the? Charlie. Hello, Charlie. You need some preening, don't you? We need to get those little covers off your little feathers, don't we? Pretty bird. Hello, Charlie. Oh, such a pretty bird.